Hello all, welcome to our channel in the series of international relations. As we are looking into United Nations, previously we saw the background of United Nations and objectives of United Nations. In today's video we are going to look into the principles of United Nations. So stay tuned for the entire video. If you have not liked our channel, then please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video updates of our channel. So let's get started. So the principles of UN are mentioned under Article 2 of UN Charter. The UN and its members, in pursuit of purpose stated in Article 1, are obligated to act in accordance with the following principles. So there are 7 main principles over here that we are going to look into. So let's see one by one. So the first is the organization is based on the principle of sovereign equality of all its members. So all the members are equal in the organizations. Second is all members, in order to ensure to all of them the rights and benefits resulting from membership, shall fulfill in good faith the obligations assumed by them in accordance with the present charter. The third one is all members shall settle their international disputes by peaceful means in such a manner that international peace and security and justice are not endangered. Fourth is all members shall refrain in their international relations from the threat or use of force against the territorial integrity or political independence of any state or in any other manner inconsistent with the purpose of the United Nations. When I say state over here, in this manner, here state means country, a member nation of United Nations. Fifth one is all members shall give the United Nations every assistance in any action it takes in accordance with the present charter and shall refrain from giving assistance to any state against the United Nations in taking preventive or enforcement action. The next is the organization shall ensure that the states which are not members of United Nations act in accordance with these principles so far as may be necessary for the maintenance of international peace and security. Seventh is nothing contained in the present charter shall authorize the United Nations to intervene in the matters which are essentially within the domestic jurisdiction of any state or shall require the members to submit such matters to settlement under the present charter. But this principle shall not prejudice the application of enforcement measures under Chapter 7. Due to its unique international charter, the powers vested in the founding charter, the organization can take actions on a wide range of issues and provide a forum of its 193 member states to express their views through a General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, and other bodies and committees. So this was all about the principles of UN, a very small topic in our entire series of United Nations. In the next video, we are going to talk about India and the UN peacemaking operations. So that's also a very small topic. So stay tuned for more such content to our channel. If you have not liked our channel, then please do like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell button to get the latest video notifications to our channel. Thank you.